Hello, my name is Christopher. This is my first time trying to do some kind of vlog-style video. I'm just going to try and do some start and landing practice here. We have 15 knots and like 25-30 in gusts. So it's going to be a quite interesting day. We will see how it goes. For sure it's going to be a bumpy ride, but it's good training. So yeah, we'll see.
Ja, skårradio Sigrid kallar det Kull ställer upp bana 29. Gusty wind here. 80 knots. A left turn here. 600 feet. 600 feet. Really good training to land in these gusty wind conditions. We don't want to try crosswind, but I think it's too much with 25 knots. Landing preparation, 100 knots, wide sector, 1 televis lamps. Skårradio Sigrid, Erik Ulle på bas, bana 29. Fuel pump on, preheat on, bridge. That's interesting. Now I have like 25 knots in the tail here, so I have to start turning here so I'm not blow out above the water here. Then it's Bromma control space there. 25 meter lamps. Ökade tillstångar. Skårradio Sigrid Kull svänger in på finalbana 29. 600 feet here on the finals. Last lap. Look at my ground speed here. I have 50 knots in the ground speed and 80 knots indicated airspeed there. It's like 30 knots difference. When it's gusts like this, you have to have a little more speed. Maybe 5 to 10 knots above my usual landing speed here. Indicated ground speed 49 knots, 80 knots indicated airspeed. Oh my gosh, just crazy. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, I want more speed so I'm safer actually. I need to have 300 feet above this freeliner. Oh, I can turn down the speed. Here. 0. Okay, one more time here. Full speed. 50 knots rotating. Start climbing here, 600 feet. Gusty like hell. Oh. I'm trying to maintain 80 knots here. I'm climbing. Start left climbing turn here. 600 feet, leveling out. Oh, that's interesting. I hope the wings stay on the plane here. Landing preparations. Speed below 100 knots. Down the whisk flaps. Fuel pump on. Reheat. Try to maintain 600 feet here. På finalbana 29. Okay, guys, on the finals. We'll see. .56 knot in ground speed and like 90 knots indicated, 8 knots now. So I have like 30 knots front here. It's kind of sweaty, I promise. I need more speed than I usually have here. We go one more time. Trying to go on the ground effect here. Whoa! Whoa! Crazy winds. Crazy winds. Ah, this is... it's just almost too much here. Oh my god, that was some really gusty. Oh, this is crazy. Whew. Ah, this is horrible. Ah, this is just too much, man. That was some really... Okay, one more time. Last landing, you know. Landing preparation, speed below 100 knots. Then with flaps. Good pump is on, preheat is on. But now 80 knots, then I indicated ground speed is 110 knots. It's 30 knots. Just crazy. Spårande seger Erik Gull svänger in på final för en fullstopp. Trimming out there. It's crazy.
radio CZ Urban kommer in i varvet sydväst ifrån. Trafikfrågan.
Ja, Sigrid Gull har precis landat här från fullstopp. Jag backtrackar tillbaka mot stugan nu på bana 29.
Okej, bana 29. Z Urban.